Hi, so today's episode we are going to break down a recent trade in the Telegram group. As always, the link for the Telegram group is below. There's a free Telegram group which gives you some signals, and then there's a VIP one which last month achieved over 3,000% returns. It's really cheap to join, but join the free chat and then we'll give you all the details there. So today we are going to break down a recent Bitcoin short we took, and this resulted in over 45% profit in less than 12 hours. So please like and subscribe the videos for more videos like this, and we'll just get started. Okay, so on the screen just now we have the Bitcoin price on the 15-minute chart, and we're going to talk you through the short trade that got announced in the Telegram group the other day, so you can see kind of proof in the pudding of what we do. So we got the trade signal here around 44,800. So that's our entry point. You just see as the candle's closing around 7:30 a.m. So this is the start of our entries. Now what you want to do is you want to ladder your entry points every $100 up to the maximum entry point. So for us, that was between 44,800 and 45,600. We also always trade with a stop loss. So in this instance, I'll just scroll up. So the stop loss was set at $46,600. So once you've got all that in place, your entry point here is 44,800, and the lines below are all our take profit zones. So this is our maximum entry and our minimum entry, and then all our take profit zones, which you can pre-program on Binance so that it does it all for you. You don't have to do any trading. So we entered here. As you can see, the price of Bitcoin then started to fall to our first take profit zone around $44,400. So you take 10% profit there so that you've captured some gains. Price of Bitcoin then starts to fall again to our next take profit zone where we take another 10%, and you move your stop loss to the first take profit zone so that no matter what happens, you're going to finish this trade in profit. Then we go down to the next take profit zone, and then finally, if you were brave enough to hold on to the trade till the end, you moved all the way down to the bottom here around 42,800 and captured more gains. So as we can see, we've got all our take profit zones. These are all labeled for you in the Telegram chat, so you don't have to do any of the maths yourself. And you've got your stop loss point, your entry points, everything's already set out in the Telegram screenshot I showed you at the start. So really well worth having. And if we look at this trade, it started at 7:30 a.m, finished at 7:30 p.m, and we'll just check what gains that was. I think we were around 45%. Yep. So around 45% gains in the space of 12 hours. So a great trade there with a 4.5% move from Bitcoin. As I've discussed in previous videos, trading's not easy. It's not for beginners if you're doing it on your own, but with the Telegram group, it makes it really easy for you. All these numbers, all these levels were highlighted before the trade even begun, so it makes it really easy for beginners to get involved. So if you want trades like this, please join our Telegram group. Please like and subscribe to these videos. We'll be posting more and more of these. And as I said, last month we made over 3,000% gains. So join the chat on the Telegram group in the description. Next, we're going to look over the Bitcoin price as it is today. So we'll get all this off the screen and go to the daily chart. The 4-hour chart. So here we can see that Bitcoin's broke out nicely from its price, but what we can see, which is quite interesting, is we're holding the 20 EMA. You can see the red line here, that is the 20 EMA, so we're kind of using that as support. We keep coming back and retesting it and then moving on up. We've also had some bullish crosses here of the 50-day EMA crossing over the 200-day EMA, and it looks like the 100 EMA is going to cross over the 200 EMA any day now. I think that'll probably happen Friday afternoon by the looks of it. We can also see the green money flow down at the cipher at the bottom as well. We flip over to the daily, similar story here. We're now using the 50-day EMA as support. And we're kind of caught between the 50 and the 100-day EMA right now, but as we can see, the 20 EMA is about to cross over the 50 EMA in the next few days, which again could be very bullish, and it looks like that's going to happen on Monday. Monday, Tuesdays are normally good positive days for us after the weekend pump and dump. Okay, so last up in today's video, we are going to look at the price of XRP on the daily time frame. As you can see, we broke out nicely from our downtrend, and we're starting to put in higher highs. We're just going to draw some Fibonacci levels on the screen in a second as well. If you don't know how to do this, please message us, and we're happy to talk you through how to do this and how to plot them. But it's really interesting. It gives you some nice support and resistance lines for you as well. So as you can see, we've plotted them now. So what you can see is that XRP has broken out. It's broken through the 382 extension at 85 cents, and we're now holding that as support. This is really bullish for XRP, and the next level to test will be around 95 cents at the 0.5 extension, and then we break through that and we are up and on to 105. So that's kind of my price predictions if we hold this. Okay, so over the next few days, I'm just going to draw on the screen what I expect to happen over the next few days. So I expect us to come up, test this level here, bounce back at the 0.5 resistance, and keep going, and then off into space if we hold all these levels as support. Now that's the bullish case. Obviously there is a chance that we fail to hold this level as support and break down, and if that was to happen, this is what I expect us to happen. So I expect us to fall, bounce off support, maybe retest this as resistance, and then if we fail to break through again, then I do expect us to retest the lows at 50 cents before continuing back up. Now this is still in play, as there's a lot of talk that this could be a dead cat bounce, but for me I'm more leaning towards the bullish scenario. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed that video. Just a quick update to show you how our trades work in the Telegram group. Strongly recommend that you join. We have the free group as discussed, and then also the VIP one, which is where all the great trades get placed. Last month, over 3,000% gain, so well worth your membership. Please like and subscribe to the videos, and get us on Telegram in the link in the description. Thanks very much.